Have you heard that new email subscribers expect a welcome email right away, but you don't know what to include in it? Write engaging subject lines. Add emojis for that extra pizzazz. Start the email with a hook. This will show up under your name in the subscriber's inbox. Keep it short and sweet. successwithkarina.com/tips and ideas will get you more info like this. Always be positive. Talk about the benefits of what you offer. Request that the subscriber click on the links to your social media channels. Provide the link to your most popular YouTube video. Use a video if you have a lot to say. Let your uniqueness and your humor shine in your emails.